So we just made it in the nick of time, and now the Cathedral of Sevilla is closed.
Okay, wait a minute. What? Let's go back in time, shall we? Alright, so after going inside the cathedral, I went to La Giralda to get a panoramic view of the city. Standing at 104.1 meters, La Giralda is a bell tower of Seville Cathedral. It was originally built as a minaret in 1198 when Muslims ruled southern Spain. When the Castilians reconquered Seville in 1248, they converted the city mosque to a cathedral and the minaret became its bell tower.
Let's go to Plaza de España. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'm currently here at the beautiful Plaza de España, which was built in the early 20th century for the World's Fair. Now, I'm starting to think that Sevillans probably have this fascination of building anything grand and massive. Just take a look at this plaza. It is huge and beautiful. With my beer, it's Morocco. It's very busy here. The on the menu would be the croqueta. Okay, my final food would be menudo con garbanzo. Itadakimasu. So my bill came out and it was really cheap. It only cost me 8 euros and 8 cents. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from Hola, buenos dias. Today's the last day of the year. We're currently here at Sevilla Santa Justa Station to catch our train to Cordoba at 8:35 a.m. But we're going to celebrate our New Year later in Madrid. So we will be staying in Cordoba and go around the city for like a couple of hours and catch the night train to Madrid. Alright, let's find our train. According to the schedule, it's at track number 11. Okay, let's go. So we found our train. Let's go inside. Hola. Alright, so I actually made a mistake. My seat is actually 4C. So here it is. Still window seat, just like what I wanted. Yeah. Okay. Let's wait for our departure. Good morning, we're now in Cordoba. So earlier I left my luggage at the bus station because there were no lockers at the train station, so I had to cross the street. Now, let's go to the mosquito on foot. But first, let's grab something to eat because I'm famished. Alright.
Just 8 kilometers south of the main train station is the historic center of Cordoba. It is enclosed by walls that date back as early as 206 BC during the Roman Republic. The World Heritage District is filled with monuments and structures from Roman, Moorish, Jewish, and Christian civilizations. Walking along its maze-like alleys brought me back in the 10th century when Cordoba was among the world's most advanced cities, recognized for its culture, learning, and religious tolerance.
Alright, so I found the mosquito, but I failed to find anything for breakfast. Perhaps I can have these oranges? Not sure. But take a look at this view. Alright, that's the Roman bridge of Cordoba. And lots of people now.
Our next destination is among the few places in the world that truly took my breath away. I wasn't expecting anything before entering, as I've been to a number of historic monuments around the world, and honestly, it did look plain from the outside. Then again, I was wrong. The mosque-cathedral of Cordoba is otherworldly. The marriage of Islamic and Christian influences gave me goosebumps as I walked through the church and stared at the endless arches. The contrast between its Renaissance cathedral nave and its 10th century mihrab made me imagine how it inspired countless of people for more than a millennium.
The name of the basilica is
Bienvenido a la Mezquita Catedral de Córdoba. Está realizando una visita cultural a un templo católico. Respete el silencio y permita que las personas contemplen este lugar. Muchas gracias. Welcome to the Mosque-cathedral of Cordoba. You are on a cultural visit to a Catholic temple. Please remain quiet and allow people to enjoy this place. Thank you.
Alright, so I just finished eating lunch, but I forgot to vlog about it. I actually ate venison, patas bravas, and roasted peppers, and a glass of sangria. They were all nice. Okay, let's walk around Cordoba. Hola, buenas tardes. It's just an hour away before we go back to the train station to catch our train to Madrid. So, before that, I decided to climb here at the Torre de la Calahorra to check this view. Alright, so that's the Roman bridge crossing the Guadalquivir River to the Mezquita. Isn't it beautiful? What a perfect way to end our day, or to actually end our year. By the way, Happy New Year in the Philippines and in Japan. It's already 5:10 here, so that means that they've already celebrated their New Year's. Okay, happy 2020 everyone.
Muchas gracias por ver mi segundo vlog en España. The next episode will bring us to Madrid, where I celebrated the New Year and my birthday. Stay healthy and be safe. Nos vemos!